What is going on, guys? Yeah, we got some live trading today. We're opened up kind of a little bit late because of some technical difficulties, but I think I'm gonna take this short, to be honest. Yeah, I'd be down to take this short. I think it's a good short if we get an inverse. Maybe once price or ES sweeps that intermediate high, we get an SMT. Or, well, looks like we're gonna. Yeah, we're inside of 15 right now. I think I want to target a lot of this sell side liquidity that we have. But we'll see. Give me a 5 minute pullback. Give me my fault. I had to, take care of business. You know what I mean? But yo, give me a 5 minute pullback. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Or one of these. One of these bad boys. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Man. Structure looks kind of weird. I guess we could. I don't trade ES though. I don't trade ES. I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, you know? If we get a trade today. I won't lie, structure does not look bad here, bro. I'd be down for some shorts. Yeah. The only thing, yeah, right now it'd have to be a 2 minute, bro. There's no 1 minute. There's no 1 minute. I'm thinking. Yeah, I mean, we get this 2 minute inverse, bro. 45 per bar. Yeah. So my break even point there, that 5 minute. And then really just aim for a 1-1. But that's if. I mean, we'll see, bro. If we get any setups, if not, is what it is. Oh, there we go, baby. Being patient. Oh my god. The immediate break even. Let me see. We'd have to get pretty lucky. Yep. Just go for a simple 1-to-1. Might have to pull a break even though. Equal lows. Gotta go break even, bro. Well, I'll break even there. So at this point, risk-free trade, risk-free trade for me. And we're just gonna have to see if we get that 1-to-1. It'd be nice. Okay, not bad, not bad. Come on. Again, we're not gonna be too greedy. We just want the simple 1-to-1. And yeah, from there, see how the trade plays out, bro. Don't break even me. This was at 5-minute. Man, yeah, we might get break even. Nah, maybe. I don't know. Hope not. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Sell off. There we go. Bang. Bang, bang. Simple 1-to-1. Yeah, W's, bro. I'm gonna close out real quick. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about aiming for all this LR, but I don't know. I didn't want to be greedy, bro. I could definitely see it coming all the way down here, taking out a lot of this LR. But like I said, at the same time, I don't want to be greedy. In that case, I was just going for my 1-to-1, bro. But I very well could see it going lower. Again, a lot of liquidity down here. But yeah, I was just going for my simple 1-to-1. But is what it is. Again, just trying to play it safe. Especially last week had a weird week. Didn't really let me see. I didn't really what's the word? I'm like brain fog right now, I'm telling you. But nah, bro, if you took this right here, really good trade. But I just, like I said, did not want to be too aggressive, especially on a Monday, bro. I feel like it's really rare for me to get a setup on a Monday. Plus we were in that 5-minute, so again, just taking my 1-to-1. But again, like I said, I could very well see it going even lower, taking out a lot of this liquidity. But Who knows? Anyways, yeah, I'll go over confluences again. Our time frame. I know we're in a lot of these gaps. Obviously, going into the day, I was kind of wanting shorts, but at the same time, whatever. But yeah, look, for example, here in this 4 hour gap, taking out that intermediate high on the 1 hour chart again, trade into this unfilled hourly gap, rejecting, going lower, and really just like here, good structure. So the trade entry, stop loss at the wick. Have this 5 minute marked out. Have my one, that means probably just going for my 1-to-1. Keeping an eye on ES. Sorry, I had the alert. I don't know if you saw it, but I did have the alert because as soon as ES hits this 5 minute gap, I want to be aware of that, and I want to be break even because I don't want an SMT to be created there and then for ES to shoot up and then I get cooked. You know what I mean? So yeah, W trade. I'll show the P&L right now. I think it was like $6,000, which not bad. Definitely a little bit lower risk, but yeah, show right now. There you go. That's the P&L for the day. So today we traded 6 accounts, banged out about 1,000 per account. A little bit over 1,000, so total banging out $6,300 W, especially on a Monday. And yeah, hopefully just keep it going into tomorrow. Yeah, obviously execute the plan. Outcomes out of my control. Same as always. It's just kind of how trading is, right? Um, yeah, sorry if I'm like not super enthusiastic or like, yeah, I'm just enthusiastic or full of energy. Literally, low key, very negative of me. Very negative of me. I woke up at literally like 8, basically, is when I got out of bed, which is not good. Obviously, I want to be getting up early, do my routine, get ready for the trading session. Yeah, but woke up late because I was at the movies last night. Like I said, I mentioned it. Odyssey, amazing movie. But today faced the consequences. I woke up late. Um, yeah, really didn't. I mean, I was able to do my routine, but a lot more faster and rushed. So yeah, and then on top of that, I thought TradeAway was having issues, which I think it was, but by the time I got on to trade, it seemed to have fixed itself. So that's why took a trade. But that's about it. Nothing. Hopefully, going forward, I'll be more locked in and maybe more enthusiastic. I know that was probably very boring. I'm just sitting there, so I'll probably heavily edit it, so I'm not just like sitting the whole video just doing nothing. Um, but yeah. Also, I want to add some more accounts to the stack, probably. Um, or just sorry, trade more on my accounts. Um, but yeah, that'd be nice. But obviously, price action. For example, last week I didn't catch a single W. Didn't lose. If anything, I think I ended up 3 break evens on the week, which was my fault. Really executing wasn't that good for me, so that's why today I was very adamant about being better about executing. And yeah, so I know some people are getting cooked right now with all the war stuff going on and all of that. But yeah, that's kind of why I went not as many accounts, to be honest. Yeah, if I'm being straightforward, that's really why. Um, all that going on, I was like, you know what, bro? Like, let me just kind of take a step back a little bit. I'm gonna continue to trade. I'm not gonna take time off or anything like that, but maybe just lower my overall total risk when I'm trading. But yeah, I think as soon as I feel, maybe not this week, maybe next, but as soon as I feel when stuff is a little bit more normal, setups are presenting more often, and my trades are playing out like how they should be, like my win expectancy, then at that point, I'll probably just add more accounts in at that point. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Hope hopefully you learned something.